At this point in your study of the didgeridoo, it's important to develop some exercises that will give you more control over your mouth while you're playing. One of the best exercises for a beginning circular breather is going to be learning how to play a smooth drone with a circular breath. Now, a smooth drone is as compared to a rough circular breath. A rough circular breath is going to be when the sounds of your breathing and the movements of your mouth are communicated through the instrument. For the purposes of this instruction, a smooth circular breath will be one where you're minimizing the sounds of your breathing and the movements of your mouth. Now, a rough circular breath is going to include all sorts of rhythm techniques and noise-making techniques that we will cover in further sections of this segment of the training video. A rough circular breath may sound like this. You can hear the movements of my mouth. You can hear the movements of my breathing coming through the sound of the didgeridoo. Now, a smooth drone is going to be where we make the sound of breathing and the sound of the movements of your mouth while circular breathing minimized. We're going to make them as quiet as possible. In order to do that, we need to slow down the movements of the circular breath. The essence of playing a smooth drone is going to be creating a constant air pressure moving through your lips and to have a very smooth, sinuous movement of the mouth muscles that are doing the circular breathing. So, it's going to sound something like this. That's a smooth breath. Now, the key to this is going to be buzzing your lips at a constant rate. What changes the sound of the drone is changing the pressure of the air coming out of your lips. So, instead of while we're circular breathing, we want to go for something that sounds relatively consistent. Now, this is not an easy thing to do, but the practice of this will give you great control over the muscles in your mouth. Once again, here's a smooth drone with circular breathing. Now, it is possible to actually make this completely smooth and no variation. If you can do that, then you have mastered the smooth circular breathing technique. If you can't do that, but you are practicing it, try it for 5 to 10 minutes a day during your didgeridoo practice time. If you don't master it, it's okay. We don't use that in most of our performance on the didgeridoo, but you should continue to use it during your daily practice to strengthen those muscles. Why don't you give it a shot right now?